I guess Shazad here today will be unboxing the 990 Pro. So this drive comes in two sort of variants. One which has a heatsink pre-installed, the other one doesn't. Usually the size itself, these come in 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, and then 4 terabyte. So you can get what you need. And these are currently on Samsung website or have a sort of a coupon. So you can save between 20 to 30 or 35%. So there is a sort of discount going on. The first thing, because the heatsink, it has sort of 4 pods. The heatsink at the top, then we have the top TIM, and then there is a sort of a bottom TIM, and then the heatsink and the drive sits in between these four pods. There is no sort of active cooling. It will rely on the air on your device, on the computer itself, but because of the heatsink, it will run cooler. One, it is a Gen 4 drive, and compared to 980, it has it's a lot more efficient, so it doesn't draw power that much. So I think it's like they said, it's 50% more improved than the 980. Because it's like a new drive, it has most features. Trim Trim Sport is enabled, Smart Sport is enabled. Encryption wasn't enabled, I think, in the start, but that has been enabled as well. GC garbage collection, that is available as well, and then also over provisioning, that is like on high-end drives. It is sort of available on a lot of drives, and this is available here as well. So the main reason you will be using this is that so your drive reserves some memory, right, which doesn't show up in sort of Windows. So whenever the data is being written through, when the drive is working through, it has that storage, so it can process that. So similarly, now you can over provision a bit more. You can start from 10% and go up. So what usually happens is that storage is sort of reserved for the device itself. So it increases the lifespan of your drive as well, and it also improves the performance as well. So first thing first, because of different variants 1, 2, and 4, the TBW, which is sort of like a total bytes written, is different. So I think for the 1 terabyte, it's around 6. The 2 terabyte is around 1200 to 1200 to 1400, and the 4 terabyte one, that is 2400. But it is also, it is like you can have the option of 5-year warranty, or you can go with the data written. Yeah, that is the drive. If you have any questions, do let me know.